So how to install Ford Credit app? So just tap get and double click to install, and then yeah, you will be able to install this app for financing your Ford car, just for fast secure mobile payments. Just if you took a credit line for Ford car, then you can just use this app, sign in for the with Face ID or whatever, and then just you can see your cars. You can see which amount, which payments are due on which date. You can toggle auto pay. You can also just make a payment, just do a manual payment, and just quickly pay out your car right from your phone. It's super convenient. You don't need to log in to your laptop and all of that. When, for example, you just going out and okay, I just saved like $50 today, and then you can just instantly transfer them to a car, or whatever, like $10,000, whatever, just dependent on your bank. Or if you just okay, I'm not gonna take a coffee today, instead I will just pay out this debt, so then you can also just send it out here. So yep, you can also do that. So yep,